I had such fun with Pokemon Pocket, I wanted to try opening a real pack. Okay, someone taught me how to open this without bending my cards. No, please. Oh no, I'm crying, I'm sobbing. No. Oh, okay, I got it. So we got our pack. And I know there's the code. One to the back, I believe. Okay. Oh! Joltik is probably one of my favorite bug types. It's so cute. But not a fan. Ooh, Toadscroll. Koraidon. Ooh, Toad's Cruel. Got them both. Ooh, I have no idea what that item does. I do not actually play this game. Oh, a little cutie. Ah, a little bunny pone. Okay, big card. Oh! Ah, I got it. I got this before I got it in Pocket. This is bullshit.